Well, hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. Yes, it's still the milk tankers charging around. What have I been up to? I've got rid of the difference between the two baseboards there. I've covered up some misdemeanors here, ready for some static grass. Oh, let's just watch this train coming. Yeah, there's a train coming. Train coming! TS15 with the parcels train. Yeah, I'm trying to get these grass areas ready for static grass. I've done a bit more work to my cliff top. That's removable. The tray cloth blue bit at the top is removable, and so is this face. I will try and repair that a little bit so it's not so obvious, but I need to get in the corner there. So I might even get this piece of landscape here static grass before my dinner. So let's see how we get on. So oh, train's coming, two at once. There we go. So I've got a lot of glue drying now, so I can't really do any more on this part, but I might make up a mix of 50 PVA and water. That's directions by Mark at Main Train, so I'm going to give that a go, I think. Yes. Right, here we go then. Warts and all, here we go. 50-50 mix. Seems rather thin. I gather I've got to stand by with the hoover, is that right? Or maybe I can do that tomorrow. Wow, there we go, that's nice and wet. Or I can hear people saying, no, not like that, Al, not like this, Al, but you've got to learn, haven't you? So, right, let me give it a go. They'll tell me you don't have to put the dog clip in. I wouldn't know. Yeah, we're ready to go. Making some nice noises. I can hear every granule. Oh, not sure what's going on. It's not standing up though, I know that. What is that then? It's all gone already. Crikey, it doesn't go very far, does it? Hang on, I've got to go and load the gun up. Oh, turn it on now, turn it on. This is only, I think it was 4 mil. Oh dear, maybe it should be longer. Oh. I don't know if I like static grass. One, it's not standing up. I don't know about static grass. I don't think it's all what it's cracked up to be. What am I doing wrong? None of it is standing up. None of it. Yeah, a bit disappointed really. Everybody else has manages to get theirs to stand up, but it is everywhere. Oh, Gordon Bennett. Back in a minute. Well, I'll have to give it a hoover. I didn't put a pair of tights on the end of my hoover, so what static grass was all over the tracks, all over the top tracks, was gone. I didn't remember to save it. So is this stuff standing up? I don't think it is. But I'm going to have to live with that for the moment. This is, somebody might be able to tell me, Scenic Supplies, a hobby time product. So here's a blast from the 70s. This is Scenic Supplies. Hobby time products. Yeah, this is from the 70s, I think. Scenic Supplies are available in the following countryside colours: summer green, which I reckon this is, dark green, not sure, yellow, bracken, poppies in the corn, earth, buttercups, flowers. Yeah, so that's what I would have been using. Oh, then, this is what I've got. Where am I? Oh yeah, there we are. So, is it standing up? What do you think? I don't think it is. I've done it wrong, I reckon. So less is more. I'm not going to do any more. I'm going to have another read up about using a static gun, because I'm doing something wrong. The battery was new, the light was on. Was I too far away for it to pick it up, or what was I doing wrong? But that's what's there. That's what there is. I'm keeping it simple. I'm not putting any more in. No fence, no horse, no cows, just that. Yeah, you can tell I'm a bit upset, but how much does it cost this static grass to do big areas? Because my little sample bags are empty, and I've only done, I've probably only done like 6 inches a square. Oh, a bit more than that, maybe a foot square. A square foot. Yeah, that's kind of cheesed me off a little bit. I was expecting better results than this. So I'll try again. I think I need to put the static grass machine extra close. So well, it's now in the loft. It's like 9 o'clock in the evening, so I can't really run any trains, because I don't want to upset my neighbours, because one, they've got a little child there as well, and yeah, it does make a noise. I'm sure they can hear it, especially late at night. So I'm not running any trains. I'm going to post this. I'm going to post this video up, and yeah, because it's a bit of a failure today. Yeah, I'm quite happy that that's come together nicely. I can pull those out of there tomorrow and do a bit more on that. So it's Al going down to the kitchen for a well-earned beer. Yeah, I can live with that for the moment. I think it's better than nothing. But doesn't look very realistic. It looks false. So that's Al going to the kitchen. I've had enough of static grass for the moment. Alan out. You must be getting fed up with the same carriages going past all the time. Anyway, it's going to be a short video again. I like my parcels train, I really do.